You're in my kitchen again. What are you making? Time for the carnival. In minus 40-degree temperatures? That's exactly why these pigs are in a blanket. We're going to start off with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, as well as 1/4 cups of butter. We're going to melt down this butter in 1/2 cup of warm milk. Stop playing with your food. And then into a big mixing bowl with 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 7 grams of yeast, and mix it all together into a smooth dough that you can smack. Pigs in a blanket are thought to have originated from Czechoslovakia or Germany, which have usually appeared in cooking for kids' cookbooks. Make sure that your dough isn't overly sticky. If your dough is sticky, you can add a little bit of flour. Roll out your dough and wrap up those pigs in a nice warm blanket. Once your dough has been rolled out, cut them into small little triangles. And give them an egg wash goodnight. Add a little bit of a sesame seed cap and bake at 350 degrees Celsius. Bam! Delicious pigs in a blanket that you can feed to your lechonk. That's cannibalism.